din, wala rin practice.
Alright, tip off. Number 12 has it. Yeah. Alright, red ball. Pushing the pace. This looks like a very exciting game, guys. It's gonna be an exciting one. While number 13, missing it. Alright, we would like to recognize the presence of Miss Philip, one of our sponsors in the house. Welcome, ma'am. What a shot by Olan. And the presence of the microwave, Mr. Barrios Lingad in the house. The microwave. What a pass. Swish. Swish. Number 11. Intercepted by Dong. Dong to number 27. Layup. Missing it. Number 8 to number 30. Whoops, missing it. Rebound by 27. 23 has the ball. Dribbling pass to center court. Center court. Guarded by double zero. Narsing Henson. Outlet pass to number 30. Allah. Kevin Love pass. Number 6, outlet pass to Narsing Henson. Narsing for 2. Swish. Dong dribbling, taking his sweet time. Number 34 to 27. 27, jump shot. Number 12 has it to Narsing Henson. Narsing Henson to number 30. JJ 14 missing it. This isn't himself players, guys. Andrew missing it. On my way, on the last loss 76 in favor of yellow. Andrew being harassed by Vargas, number 34. On the inside five, number 8. 2 free throws coming. Moises, Moises. 2 free throws. Second feature is number 34. 96. Vargas cross. Intercepted. Once again. Stepping on the line. The RM connection. Robert Dorsey to number 24. 3-point shot missing, rebound by Mike Wade. Vargas being it. Vargas pushing the pace. Vargas being guarded. Back to Vargas. Pass it to 19 minutes. JJ. Out that pass to number 24. 3-point shot by Andrew. Missing. To Vargas. Pass it to number 15. 15 to number. Intercepted by number 24. Intercepted to Robert Dorsey. Dorsey waiting for his teammates. Pass to number 52. Number 52 being guarded by JJ. Miscommunication. Turnover. Red ball. Turnover, boys. Vargas. JJ to Vargas. But I didn't know what a thing to do. Vargas. Robert has it all back to 24. Robert, Andrew for a lead. Automatic. 3 points. 3 points by Andrew. To Ross. Ross to JJ. JJ to number 8. Plus a foul. Let's foul, guys. Do a free throw. And we would like to recognize the presence of Mayor Lula Davis. Lula. Rebound. Robert to number 24. Number 24. Jump shot. Swish. That's 2 points. 24-8. Last 10 minutes. First quarter. To number 15. Missing. Varius to number 8. 8 missing it. Oops! Oy! Alice Lula. What a layup by number 30. 26-8, last 8 minutes in the first quarter. JJ for 3, missing it completely. To Ross for 2, missing it. To number 15, 15 for 2, missing it. Rebound by Robert Purcell to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal. Alright. Andrew, that's 1 for 3, 1 for 3. Varius being guarded by number 24. Number 24 to Ross. Fumbled it. Recovers. Number 15 has it. Pass it. Oh! Oops! Intercepted by number 24. Outlet pass to number 24. Intercepted by Ross. Ross to number 15. Number 15 to number 8. Dempsey new layup. And it's good. Moises.
Harap!
Robert to number 24. 2. Missing it. Rebound by Robert. Robert to number 34. Ruby. I hit Ruby. Varius with the ball.
10-28.
Varius to Moises. Moises to Varius. Varius for 2. Missing Robert. Power rebound. But intercepted by JJ. The jet train. Boy. Foul number 15, guys. Number 15.
I'm hungry.
Nice hustle play.
Dito shooter ah.
JJ.
Papalat sa ilalim eh.
Ross.
Huwagan yung
Hustling.
defensa.
15. Got the ball. To Varius. Taking the passing it to JJ, bro. Ross to Varius. Varius being guarded by Andrew. Andrew to JJ. JJ. Okay. Alright, let's do this.
Picture muna. Yung committee. Joseph, let's go!
Alright.
Red team. Naku, delikado mo. Pagtalo na ngayon eh. Alright.
Jen, wala pa daw picture. Kayo ng umaga. Matatapos na liga. Yan ang picture mo. Dito ka. Ano ba, Mike? Gusto ka na.
Alright, let's do line up. Hold the ball. Let's line up, guys. Come on. Alright, let's go. Let's line up. Hello. Busugin mo yung mga Busugin mo yan. Okay. Mukhang champion kayo, bro. Mukhang champion kayo. Okay, mukhang champion. Jim, nanalo na. Baka mapag-abusin mo yun. Alright, guys, good luck. JC sa kasya. Sino?
Hey, hey! Say hi! There you go.
Okay, the zebra, they're done? Okay.
Dindin, number 12.
All right, Blackers in the center court. First five for both teams.
Number 6. Ano ko? Number 6, yellow. Anong pangalan mo daw? Roel. Ulan ka. Ulan number.
Let me know who you're gonna call in. You call some of I'll call some of the play. Okay? Tell me who's gonna start.
2-point shot, missing it completely. Rebound to number 24. Number 24 pushing the ball hard. What a back pass. What a wrap around pass. But they fumbled it, guys. Ruel being guarded by number 16. Ruel. Oops. Foul. Number 18.
Well, anyway, I'll give you his name. You have my number. He'll call back to the sales manager. He's a part-time. I don't do it for a living. But
Two free throws coming for Ruel, guys. First free throw is good. 34-27.
Let me out.
Missing it. Rebound by number 6.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Intercepted by Jesse. Jesse. Oops. Oops. What's it? Number 24. Got the ball back to number 18. Foul number 62. Jesse.
Oh. Doon kayo.
34-27.
Can you stay here? In the middle?
Wow, look at that. Larry Bird. Without looking. Larry Bird shot. What a
Hey, there's
shot.
some news. Hey.
Ruel or Art?
give him technical rep.
All right. Jesse being guarded by number 13. Substitution. Team JR. Substitution.
Kaya anim kayo dyan, oh.
And I'll be very brief. I think
we have some certificates to give out later. We're going to give out some certificates. We're going to take a little interruption, a little halftime, so to speak, in the great tournament here. But before I do that, I want to thank Alex Englet and his entire committee, entire team of volunteers. This would not happen without people giving to others like Alex does. J.R. Madrigal, please come forward. J.R. Madrigal. Certificate of recognition from the State Assembly of the State of California. I'm going to take a photo of him. And then Taloma. Taloma, come forward. Mr. Taloma, there he is. Another star player. They're all stars today. Domingo Bowie. Domingo! Here he is. Elmer, Oregon, please come forward. Willie DeCastro, please come forward. How's Cairo? Ed Batista, Ed, please come forward. Where are you? Congratulations. Oblique. Jeff Oblique. There he is, right here. Welcome. Don Zavala. Please come forward. Front and center. Here he is. Very fast. Very fast. Excellent. Congratulations. Ross Manate. I saw Ross earlier. Where are you, Ross? Ross Manate. Here he is, coming from the corner. And he is fast. Is that it? Okay, photograph. And outstanding himself.
Direk, 11 ka.
We're on YouTube, guys. Two years in a row, volunteer.
All right, guys, you got 2 minutes. Let's play some ball, all right? All right.